It's time to rip some cards. Hello YouTube, I am the Hard Card Collector and I'd like to welcome you to my channel. Today, I figured we'd start it off with the staple. 1920 Series 2 Javi. 6 Young Guns, all kinds of parallels, inserts. There's the camera. Big rookies include Makar, Kako, Doc, Zadina, Suzuki. You know, just to name a few. Alright, let's get cracking. Let's see what we get. One stack, 2 stacks, 3 stacks, 4 stacks. Put this box over here. All right, then. Pack numero uno. Wish me luck. Oh, yeah.
There you go. Murder the first pack. Good start, good start. Alright, here we go. Jacob Trouba. Jeff Skinner. We have Jonathan Huberdeau. Thomas Greiss.
NAOPG, what is this? Retro Rookies. Martin Fehervary. Probably butchering that name.
Brendan Smith, Duman, and Kevin Shattenkirk. Alright, let's try this. A little more clean opening of the pack here. There we go. Pack number 2. Trevor Lewis. Panarin. Joe Pavelski. Milan Lucic.
And a marquee rookies of Nick Suzuki. Just a plain white border. Not too bad.
Nate Schmidt. David Backes. And Sergei Bobrovsky.
Today so happens to be trade deadline day. I'm a Pittsburgh fan. We got Marleau and Connor Sheary's back. You know, depth. Can never have too much depth. Let me know. What are you guys? Your teams? You happy? Mad? Upset? Changing teams? Let me know. Alright, Matt Duchene. Braden Coburn. Konechny. Young Guns. Jonathan Davidson for the Senators. Kempe.
Spezza, Kane, Bobrovsky. Alright, let's see that. Put that in a top loader. Alright, now. Put that right there. Alright, pack number 2.
Actually, I haven't opened too many boxes recently. Do a lot of breaks, but decided to change it up, do this channel. Alright. Anthony DeAngelo. Kevin Hayes. Tyler Myers. Canvas. Nikita Kucherov. Not too bad.
Alright, good news, my camera is going to die soon. So, I might have to cut this in. Get my charger. Pack number 4. It should be fine. Alright, Eric Johnson. Cole Giroux. Anders Lee.
Oh, I think we have a Young Guns canvas here. Alright, big name. Oh, not too bad, not too bad. Can't complain. German Rupstov for the Flyers canvas. Young Guns. I love those canvas Young Guns.
Reimer, Hagelin, Grabner, and Tarasenko. Alright. Alright. See that. Top load that so I don't accidentally drop something on it. That's a joke. Alright, next pack.
You know, I do group breaks and I laugh at the breakers when they have a hard time, but let me tell you, Under pressure, it's not easy. Druin, Tuck, Dubnik, Clayton Keller. We got a Portraits, Nick Suzuki. They do have parallels of this. Again, this is my first time opening this year. Alright, not too bad, not too bad.
Cassian, Meyer, and Milker Carlson for the Sharks. Alright, my assistant handing me my charger. I will charge in my phone. Bear with me. There we go. Should be good to go. Alright, yeah, next pack. Alright, let's get a big look. Oh my god. There we go. Alright, we have Alexander Steen, Tanev, Peter Mrazek.
Marquee rookie. Oh, Merzlikins. That's a pretty good name to get. Alright. Butcher, Anderson, Athanasio. He is a Oilers now. And Tanger. Alright. I have a 7-year-old in the family. He's a huge hockey kid. All these base are going to have a nice home with him. The kid is a fanatic. Just loves hockey. He's a Leafs fan. Alright, here we go. McDonough, Ekblad, Schwartz, Young Guns, Noah, Gregor for the Sharks. Leonard, Joel Armia, Ovi, and Parayko. Yeah, he was giving it to me the other day when Toronto beat up on Pittsburgh. Oh yeah, he's not shy. He's actually a goalie. Alright. Next pack.
Dimitrov, Thornton,
Roman Yossi, Juhar Kahira. Oh, and we have a clear cut. Evgeny Dadonov. Nice.
Colin White, Aho, and Anton Hyman, who also got traded today. I feel like they give up on these kids early. A lot of young players. Maybe they didn't start off like they were prospected, but man, a lot of good young players getting dealt all the time, I feel like. That's a pretty cool hit. Pretty cool. Nice back. Alright. Madison Bowie, Rozovic, Eunice, Korpisalo, Anton Strawman,
Portraits, Jonathan Davidson for the Senators.
Benajad, Varlamov, and Craig Smith.
I'm also going to be doing an Instagram page. Posting some stuff on there. All kinds of stuff. Open for anything. Just trying this video thing out just to see how it goes. Something different. I really like editing and stuff, so this will be my first video that I actually edit, but you know, I've done the little intro before I open the box, and so far so good. Alright, Laine, Getzlaff, Ryan Hartman, Marquee rookie Martin Fairvry.
Alright, Ray McNabb, Tyler Ennis, I believe traded today, Kerfoot, and Zach Parise. Put those over here, next pack, bump the camera, alright. Struggle with the pack, check. Alright, Mark Edouard, Classic, Jacob Slavin, Sam Donnie, traded today, Nancy Ranta.
Young Guns, Pierre Engvall. Alright, not too bad. Lease, Blake Wheeler, Beauvillier, and
Carey Price.
Sleeve that. Top load that. I've seen some of these boxes with tons of long odds hits. Let's see what happens. Oh, lucky pack, bent corner. Hopefully none of the cards are damaged, because that seems to be a bit of an issue with the recent releases. Looks okay. Matthew Perreault. Tanev. Tavares. We got a blue border here. Blue border of Adam Fox. Nice. Adam Fox. Blue border.
We got a checklist. Carlson and Subban. Foligno.
So much skill. Sean Monahan. I feel like the whole league is like so much better than it was like 15-20 years ago. Just ridiculous. You gotta appreciate skill. Man, it's around all over the league. Alright, take that.
The blues are more common. Alright. But not as common as the white border. They're just not good. Red, gold, black borders. Those are the good borders. Backstrom, Vatman, traded today. Shaw.
Oh, Capo Caco, retro rookie. Nice.
Very nice. Malkin, Bowmeister, Connolly, and Rantanen. Rantanen. Let's see that now. Alright, next pack. See, we're on a roll. Got two cocky and... Alright. Ryan Dzingel, Filppula, Matt Martin. We have a Cody Ceci.
And a Young Guns of David Gustafsson for the Jets.
Marcus Johansson, Fischer, and Gossip Spear. Right there. Steve. Top load.
Alright. Next pack. Dwindling down. Alright, guys. Phil Kessel, Riley Smith, Anze Kopitar, Vince Dunn, and a Panarin retro OPG. I think it's an update or something.
Jonas Donskoy, Nick Schmaltz, and Mikko Koivu. Next up, 8 packs. A third of the way to go. There you go, front opening pack. Each year out. Brendan Montour, Tanner Pearson, Derek Ryan, Erik Karlsson.
Canvas, Alex DeBrincat. Put those there. Pretty cool. Red carpet treatment. Sharply dressed.
Fabry, Alec Martinez, and Ryan Murray. Alright, base over here. Alright. Alright. Braden Point, William Karlsson, DeBrincat.
And another canvas of Jacob Trouba.
Colin Wilson, McAvoy Stammer, and John Gibson. Alright, next pack. Still what? Two young guns? I don't know the canvas pencils are down. Regardless. Won't know until we open them. Fiala, Byron, Alex Iafallo, Carter Hutton.
And an Adam Boakfist. Young Guns. That's pretty decent.
Sergachev, Hiskinen, and Max Zuccarello. Alright, warming up. So yeah, let me know, guys. What do you think about the trade deadline? Are you happy with your team's moves or lack of moves? Like I said, I'm pretty happy. I mean, you know, I always hate to see certain guys traded and stuff, you know. They are human. Alright, Jamie Benn, Vrana, Ryan Miller, Zaitsev,
And Kako. White border. Nice.
Brendan Gallagher, Mitch Marner, and James the Real Deal Neal. Put this over here. Let's stop hitting the camera. 4 to go. Alright, there we go. Hang of it. Alright, Ron Hainsey, PLD, Tyson Berry, Gunsel.
And a portraits of Martin Fabry.
Alright, Vasilevsky, Brown, and Eberle. Alright, next pack. Alright, checklist to start off with Panarin, Bobrovsky, Andres Case, traded, I believe, somewhere. Shea, traded.
Late Adam Fox portraits. Nice.
Alright, Ben Bishop, Zajac, LeBlanc, and Oliver Ekman Larson. Alright, guys, 2 more to go. Alright, I think we still need 2 young ones, but I don't know. I'll take one big one. Alright, here we go. Brian Elliott, Evgeny Dadonov, Brandon Carr.
Carlo. Oh, nice. Zadina Young Guns. That's a pretty good one. Detroit is just... Got so many good young players. They're just not quite breaking out. But Zadina, he's shown some promise. That's a good one. I'll take it. I'll take it. All right. This is my first video. I'm probably not showing all the cards, but yeah, I'll get better. Stick around and I'll get better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I believe we are out of Young Guns. Let's hit a nice parallel or something would be nice. Last pack.
Mojo.
As the kids call it. Colton Sissons, Anthony Manta, Fleury, and Trent Frederick, Young Guns exclusive, 100 out of 100. I must say, was not expecting that. I'm not too familiar with him, but yeah, that is a nice surprise. I will sleeve that and top load that one for sure. Alright, well, the Pack Besser Subban. There are variations in this, but I'll have to wait till I have a little bit more to kind of go through it all. Alright, well, here we go, guys. Not a bad first video. Boom. Zadina. Got Boldquist. There's the center. You got Gustafson. Fox. Blue border. Engvall Young Guns. Not sure why. Anyways, there you go. Jonathan Davidson. Clear cut Dadonov. Noah Gregor. Canvas of German Rupstov. And Young Guns of Jonathan Davidson. Alright, well, hope you enjoyed that. Till next time.